So it says that y is directly proportional to the cube root of x. So when you have a proportion question, whether it's direct or indirect, it always follows this formula. You see this formula here. So y is directly proportional to the cube root of x. Okay, so we put x and put a cube root sign on it. Now what we want to do is essentially turn it into a equal sign. So we put y equals cube root of x. Now when we get rid of this proportion sign, we put a k. Okay, and because it's direct, it's always k times the thing. Does that make sense? If it was indirect, it would be another formula, which we'll get to later. But generally, this is what happens. So it'll be y equals k times the cube root of x. Okay, so now we just sub in the values. So y is 100. So 100 equals k times. Now what is x? It's 125, right? What's the cube root of x?
5.
5, because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, right? So therefore, k times 5 equals 100. So what is k? 20. You see? So in this formula now, k has the value of 20. So we rewrite the formula. Y equals 20 times the cube root of x. Does it make sense?
Stop.
You sure? Okay, so now we plug in the values, the new values they've given us. So they've given us x is 27. So what is the cube root of 27? 3. Cool.
It wasn't cube root.
Okay, so 3 times
Square root.
20 equals,
3 times 3 times 3 times 27.
which is y, but what is y? 20 times 3?
27 is 3. Exactly. Happy days.
90, 60.
60. So therefore, y is
60.
60.